Hi you guys, welcome back, and welcome to my new Land Rover Discovery playlist. Well, I hope you subscribe to this channel because I'll be doing this restoration on my 1998 Land Rover Discovery 1 LE series. Okay, so we're going to be working on my 1998 Land Rover Discovery 1 LE. FYI, there's nothing wrong with my hood, it's just popped open, that's all. Anyway, as you can see, it's trash day today. So, as we walk to the back of the Land Rover, today I'm going to be fixing my driver's side bumper tail light. It's got a crack in it, so I got a new one, I'm going to be putting it in. So let's go underneath and see what it's going to take. As you can see here, we've got two lights. Looks like one of them is loose here. And if we look to the right, you can see a small nut I need to remove. And if you look to the left, we got a nut we need to remove. Looks like it's pretty rusted. So I'm going to spray some of this stuff on here. It's called PB Blaster. You spray this stuff on and it'll loose your screws or nuts that you're trying to remove. I've used this a few times and the stuff works great. There is a lot of other products out there, so choose wisely. Apparently this stuff has gotten a lot of reviews, so I'm going to go with it. While that's soaking, let me show you where I got the light at. Picked it up on eBay for about 26 bucks and it was free shipping. And this is the package that it came in. That's the front. This is the back. These are the two screws. And it looks like it came with some light bulbs. Cool. Just twist them out, about 1/8 of a twist, not even a full 1/4 of a twist. And of course you just twist it in to put it back together. All right, let's get this thing installed. Okay, there's the nut on the left, and here's the nut on the right. What I'm doing now is installing a long 8mm socket. Then I'm going to put a ratchet in there and loosen it up. It seems like this screw has been here since 1998 and it's really rusted up pretty bad. This screw is going into plastic, so I think I'm going to wind up unscrewing it out of the plastic. Yeah, that's what happened. All right, let's try the left side. And I think the same thing's going to happen on the left side. I'm just going to wind up unscrewing it out of the plastic. These nuts are really, really rusted. As you can see, I got both the nut and screw out on both sides. Now we can remove the light. Be careful as you pull it out not to tug on the light fixtures. I'm sure the wires are a little brittle. Just turn the light fixtures 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise. You can see how these screws got unscrewed out of the light fixture. Again, the nuts were rusted so bad that it unscrewed the screw from the light fixture. Just wanted to show you that. Since I got new bulbs with my new light fixture, I'm going to go ahead and remove the old bulbs. And how you do that, there's a clip that you lift up and just slide the old bulb out. Do that on the other light also. Just take a little pick and it'll lift up and you can just slide the bulb right out. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, now we're just plugging in the bulbs into our new fixture. Make sure you have the turn signal or the yellow lens towards the outside of the car. It's the opposite of the right side. So just make sure the lens is on the outside of the car. Okay, now we can go ahead and install the lens to the bumper. But before we screw everything in, let's make sure everything works. Let's make sure that both the lights are working. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in the car, turn the key on, and turn your left turn signal on. Okay, that's working. Now turn your lights on. Now you can see we have our running lights on. So we're good to go. Okay, all we need to do now is go underneath and screw our nuts in. But wait, we don't have any nuts. The old ones were rusted. Well, you're gonna have to go to a parts store and get some fresh nuts. I got a couple of washers with it, as you can see here in our new fixture, and we're gonna screw these in. You can see on the right side here, I've got it hand tightened as best I could. And here's the left side. Still need to hand tighten that side. Once you got them in, go ahead and take your socket and tighten the nuts up. When you tighten them, just tighten them so they're snug. Don't tighten them too tight. Remember, the stud is screwed into plastic, so you don't want to tighten it too tight, otherwise you'll break it. Once you got both sides in, you're good to go. See how easy that was? Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.